wa maafitha a borithi Douglas Kanja akiruta ndumiriri yake.
Yote inatoka hapo wakati hapo because hii ni nice that happen sio combination ya hivi wakati sasa hivi hapo ndio waona na kuajilia hali kuona mnaenda vizuri sawa.
Muroreri bica icio wakorwo ukirorera ni cia maafitha a borithi matongoretio ni munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja magithurima uria mĩhang'o ĩrathiĩ na mbere kuria mwena wa Kitengela kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado na guku ni kumwe gwa kuria gukoragwo gugithuka muno makiria hindi iria kuri na mirurungano. Tugithie kungi tugukorwo tugithie nginyagia kuria hakuhi na cikaro nene cia bunge ya bũrũri na guku turanyitanira na mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro Njenga wa Wambui. Guku ni kuria family o ũndũ ũmwe na atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro megutanyaga gukorwo magitwara mahũa ma endwa ao aria makuĩrĩire kũu hindi ya mirurungano ya miaka ya 2000 kana mwaka wa 2024. Nitugukorwo tukinyitanira na Njenga wa Wambui ihinda ritari kuraihu no kwa ihinda riri mwiroreri reka tukorwo tugicoka kuria mwena wa Gitengera tuigue kuma kuri munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja.
Just telling us how the security situation is to the places where you've been or where you've gotten reports from.
So thank you very much, members of the fourth estate. Let me start by saying that our country is safe and secure. From the north to south, from east to the west, our country is safe and secure. Number two, today we know this is the day that the agencies wanted to do the remembrance of what happened on, in the year 2024 June. And yesterday, even our CS came out very, very clear. They said that there is no one who is prevented from, demonstrating, picketing, because it is allowed by the law. As long as we follow what is allowed by Article 37 of our Constitution. And I'm happy to report that even in Nairobi town, I have seen Kenyans laying, leaf and flowers at Parliament there, and they were escorted by police and in a peaceful way. And I'm happy. I'm happy as the Inspector General because we want a peaceful country, all of us. And security of our country is a collective responsibility for all of us. We cannot say that it's one part to ensure that we are secure. No. All of us, we must do whatever is reasonably possible to ensure that our country remains safe and secure. And that's the reason why I'm saying that right now I've been doing rounds, checking on how we are doing. And I'm happy to report that in all the areas that are affected, they are very okay. The reports that I'm getting from the commanders in the field is that everything is running okay. Yeah, we don't have any problem.
That Kitengela is a hotbed of these protests. How has the situation been since you arrived here?
No, it's you see, we are here in Kitengela now, and you can see, everybody can be able to see that Kitengela is very quiet. The people are continuing with whatever they do, whatever they are doing, in a peaceful manner. And I want to appreciate even the people of Kitengela because previously we have seen Kitengela being on fire. But this time around things are very, very different. That's the reason why I'm appreciating our officers, the police officers, and the other security providers. I'm appreciating the people of these areas, in particular Kitengela, and even the rest of our country. I've seen the processions down there in Mombasa, very, very peaceful, with nothing much. So what we are really saying is that so far so good. Yeah, thank you.
Maybe IG, one last one from mine. Maybe we've seen assurances from your part, and of course the CS yesterday. But since early morning, like 4 a.m., we've seen major police barricades from, of course, on the major entrances into the CBD. Don't you think there would have been a better way to address this so that we do not, or you rather, do not inconvenience persons who are not part of the commemorations?
Now, let me say this. What we are doing is what we refer to as intelligence-led policing. So if there are indications indicating that there are those who are helping to come and introduce trouble in Nairobi and elsewhere, we will not allow that to happen because we are aware, and that's why I'm saying that police does not work alone. We work with others. We work with you people. We work together with other security providers. So we have got a lot of information. We have got a lot of intelligence on what is to happen. So whatever kind of actions you see NPAs taking, it is because it is well guided by the available information shared by you.
IG, we have seen a number of people who have been arrested, but you said yesterday if it is a peaceful protest, they can continue. Many young people have been arrested here. Maybe what is the reason behind it, and how many are they in numbers?
Let me say this. I don't know the numbers because right now we are yet to start getting reports from the field. But if there is any person who has been arrested by the police, the usual procedure must follow, whereby the available evidence is reviewed, and if it can be able to stand before a court of law, then they will be taken to the court. If that is not the case, then set free immediately. Yeah.
Yes, lastly, there are fears that when darkness sets in, we could see looting. Should the people of Kitengela sleep, rest assured they will wake up with their property intact.
Yes, they need to rest assured that security is fully provided for. Yes, but I must also hasten to remind you that security is also a shared responsibility between the security providers and even the people themselves, including the media friends.
Yes.
Thank you.
Maybe one last on IG, on the arrests. We've seen a normal arrest, but remember that in 2024 there were 3 brothers who were arrested. Longton brothers and Bob Nyagi. Yesterday Bob Nyagi was arrested. Today one of the brothers, Longton brothers, was arrested. Their whereabouts, maybe, and could there have been other reports that they were maybe linked to the arrest, the protests?
I think I have stated my position on that. That any person who has been arrested, or even those who are going to be arrested later on, the processes and the procedures are going to be followed as guided by the law. So you need not to worry about that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Murariri kuu ni kuria mwena wa